Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm shooting this demo as an early demo to show you exactly what Exact Model does. We're still working on some UI features to make it more flow smoother and easier, but overall I wanted to show you how easy and simple it really was. So let's go ahead and create a project, and what's going to take you to is selecting one of the categories. Now, we've got a bunch of different categories from general questionnaires to OTOs and so forth, and you'll understand why we created a vast variety. So let's go ahead and jump into one of these, and you'll notice right away we tell you if it's an OTO or a front end based on what the product is, and you'll be able to flip through here and kind of look through it. When you click on one, it'll allow you to preview it and take a look at what you're actually looking at, which is really fun. And when you actually go in here and select it, you're going to first start off by creating your project. So this is a demo project one, and we're going to go ahead and create it. Now what's really cool is when you create this project, it automatically pulls by project, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a second here. So now, once you're inside of here, what the coolest thing about Exact Model is we didn't want you to just have something they put a question and an answer, and it needed to make sense. Not only does it need to make sense, but it also needs to teach someone something. If you just tell them to fill out questions and it spits out a copy, it doesn't teach a person how to write copy. And if you're not learning, you're not excelling, you're not growing as a person. So it's really important that we wanted to make sure that we did it. We thought when we created this project, it was done for our students in mind because we want to make sure that they can do it. So let's go ahead and type in here 6 figures, and we'll give you an example of what happens. So if I type that in, it's going to pull anywhere else that we have it, right? So let's go ahead and say email marketing. I'm just typing stuff in here, and I'm going to show you problem 1 is overpriced, or problem 2 is expensive systems, and you'll see how it starts to automatically fill in as we go introducing Exact Model. We'll just put that in here real quick, and you'll notice something really cool. As it goes red, you'll notice that things are starting to fill in automatically through the system, and that's the best part about it, is that the whole idea is that it'll automatically filter through the system. Whoops. And I'll put an X there, and you'll notice that it automatically filters through the system and it puts it. Now here's what's really cool about it. I'm going to stop right here because I think you get an idea. 30-day guarantee promise. You get the idea as I start to fill this out, right? Everything is starting to come in here, and everything's starting to show up, and you're starting to see how simple and easy and powerful it really is, right? So we go ahead and hit save, and once you hit save, you'll see the project. Now you can look at your project right here, and you can add more projects. Of course, you can go ahead and export. It's in Word and PDF. We'll also have a text file available. You can edit it, you can duplicate and delete it automatically. Now here's what's cool. When you go here, and let's go ahead and pick another one real quick in generic internet marketing, and we'll just pick a downsell on this one because we want to create an OTO. You can pull an existing project like this one right here. All right, and then we'll call this an OTO, right? And we'll pull from the existing project, and we'll go ahead and submit. And what happens is, if it has anything, now this was a bad example of one, but if it had anything, it would automatically pull all the information here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here anyways. Video upgrades. I'm just going to put some random stuff. Even throw in the downloads at 100 off. And yellow button inside. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit and save this one and leave it in there. And you'll see that it created one for that demo project, but didn't actually create the right one. So let's go ahead and look back here and find something that's not in very similar in sales. Let's see here. Let's pick this OTO. So okay, let's go ahead and pick this existing project. We'll pick it from the demo project, and you'll hit say project 1 and save. Now you'll notice right here that it's already pulling from the last one that you can do that we already had filled out, and that's the power of it. So it's already pre-filled out. So again, I'm going to go ahead and fill some more stuff out. But what happens is, once you start filling out, you want to go through and read it, of course. And overpriced resulting in wasted time and focus. So what's really cool about it is it automatically starts pulling all the information and saves it into the system as well, so that it continues to propagate, and eventually you'll be able to go through and start creating the system all over again, which is really fun as well too. So that's Exact Model. We've also got it for emails. It's actually, we're working on setting all the emails up right now and putting them in there so that it works flow smooth. So, but I wanted to give you an idea. There's over 200 different ones that we're still actually loading in here, from weight loss to different niches. If we go back here to the categories, you'll see the different categories. not niches, but we put them in categories, very heavily focused on internet marketing niches because that's what our clients and customers ask for. We've got a lot of generic ones, a lot of generic OTOs. That's what we call generic internet marketing because it doesn't always fall into any of these other categories. But if you're looking for laser focused ones like affiliate marketing, for example, we've got direct ones just for affiliate marketing, list building, since we're list builders ourselves, and so forth. So I hope this gives you a pretty good understanding of how exact model works, at least the basics around it. Got a lot more coming with it. Again, 200 total templates, 50 emails that are already done for you that you're going to be able to do the same thing, pre-fill, pre-set up. So just imagine being able to go in and selecting a welcome email, typing it in, and then the next day going off and say, okay, I've got the welcome email done. Let me go ahead and do a done for you email about the same product, picking that category project and having it automatically filled in to the point where it's giving you the same information that you posted yesterday and following a template that's proven, that's worked for us in our business, something that you can use. I mean, these emails are actual business emails that we use in our business that we're going to give to you today. So that's what exact model is. I hope you appreciated this video. We'll have an updated video available. We're working diligently to make sure that it flows smooth, it works smooth, everything works really easy, and you can create projects and so forth. With that being said, let us know if you have any questions. December 14th, 9 a.m. Eastern. The price is $297, includes the 200 templates, 50 emails, so 250 items. So it's basically $1 per template. Plus, there's only one OTO. It's a monthly reoccurring. It's called the the Exact Model Template Club that you can join as well. All right. With that being said, thank you for listening to my demo, and I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you soon.